Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a work point on the Zapmap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, new, click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen. And in the Add a Checkpoint section, you can find the last option, the Add Work Point. And click to the Add Details. And you can add the name, the address, the town, and the postcode. And if you don't know the postcode, just click to the square icon. And click to the Next Step icon. And you can add different another information about your work point and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.